Today we're going to be taking a look at some of the best UAG cases, in my opinion, for the brand new Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you guys want to pick these up, I will also be putting product links in the video description. So here we have the UAG Monarch Pro case. This has been drop tested up to 25 feet. We have the Pathfinder case, which has been drop tested up to 18 feet. And we also have the Metropolis LT, which has been drop tested up to 18 feet as well. And all three of these cases also have built-in MagSafe. Two of these cases have Kevlar, and all three of these cases have MagSafe built in. And I promise you by the end of this video, you'll know which one of these cases are right for you. So let's get started. So here we have the UAG Metropolis LT case. Let's see how much this case weighs. 51 grams. So this case has Kevlar built into the back, and it's also got MagSafe, and it's been drop tested up to 18 feet. It's got a really cool feel on the back, and it also does come in a couple different colors. If we look at the inside, you can see that it's got a honeycomb kind of pattern, and it's been military grade drop tested. Case fits the phone really good, feels nice in the hand. It does have a little bit of slickness to it. It's not horrible, but it is there. Buttons on the side are easily pressable, nice and clicky. If we look at the case from the side, you can see that it has a prominent raised edge on the top and the bottom of the case. It also doesn't add a whole bunch of extra bulk to the phone. We also have some reinforcements in the corners for drop protection. On the bottom here, we have our cutouts. You can very easily access the S Pen. On the side, there are those raised power button and volume buttons. And on the back, again, it's got that really cool Kevlar feel. Feels really nice. And we also have a raised edge around our camera lenses for protection there as well. I do actually like the olive green. Kind of looks like a military kind of look. And then if you happen to have a power bank that's MagSafe compatible, you can clip it onto the back, and it'll start to charge your phone immediately. And the MagSafe is also on there pretty good, so you don't have to worry about the accessory just falling off. And the MagSafe accessory also sits flush with the phone because there's no super raised edge around the camera lenses, because you can see that the portion of the power bank does protrude over the camera lens. I really like the fact that UAG thought about this, because no other case that I've seen does this. And then as far as accessing the bottom part of the phone, you can easily just swipe your finger from the bottom up. Not a problem. And the same thing with the top. And then here we have the UAG Pathfinder case. Let's see how much this case weighs. 47 grams. This case has been military grade drop tested up into 18 feet, and it also has MagSafe built in. This case also comes in different colors. I'm just partial to the camo look. I think it looks pretty cool. So it's got a hard PC back surrounded by a softer TPU type rubber. On the inside, it's got the small honeycomb look along with the MagSafe and the UAG logo. Fits the phone really well, feels good in hand. This case does have a little bit more grip than the Metropolis did, so that's definitely a plus. Buttons, very easily accessible, nice and clicky, very nice. If we look at the case from the side, you can see that it does have a raised edge on the top and the bottom, and you can see that texture on the side to help with grip. On the bottom, we have our cutouts, and still easily accessible, the S Pen. Not a problem. We have our power button and our volume buttons on the side, along with some of that texture. And on the back, again, it's got that cool camo look, kind of industrial looking. And we also do have a slight raised edge around our camera lenses. Now the same thing goes for this case as it was with the Metropolis. They did put a little cutout here for when you put a MagSafe accessory on the back. It won't lift up over this raised edge. It'll sit nice and flush with the camera, and I'll show you what I mean. So here again we have the power bank MagSafe accessory clips onto the back, and a portion of that power bank kind of goes over the camera. Well, UAG thought about that and they made a little cutout for that raised edge so it sits flush with your phone, which I have not seen any other case maker do, so that's definitely a plus. And as you can see, it is charging our phone. Again, this case has a pretty good hold on your MagSafe accessory, so you don't have to worry about it just falling off. Another really nice case. The only thing about the UAG cases is they're kind of squared off. You may or may not like that. It's not horrible, but it's definitely going to add some good drop protection for your phone, especially in these reinforced corners. And then here we have the UAG Monarch Pro case. And we'll see how much this case weighs. 62 grams. This is the heaviest UAG case, but really it's still not that heavy. This is one of the most expensive cases that UAG makes. It does have Kevlar lining built into the sides here, and this also does come in a couple different colors as well. It's got the MagSafe built in, and it's been military grade drop tested up to 25 feet. On the inside, it's kind of got like a smooth honeycomb type pattern to it. You really can't feel the honeycomb on the inside. Goes in the phone, feels good in the hand. It's not slippery, and it's got a little bit of that honeycomb type texture on the side for grip. Buttons on the side again, nice and clicky, easily accessible. We also do have some reinforcements in the corners for extra drop protection. If we look at it from the side, we do have a raised edge around the top and the bottom of the case, and it's not super bulky, but it does add a little bit of extra bulk to the phone. There's the honeycomb pattern on the side for some extra grip. We have our cutouts on the bottom. Again, the same cutout for your S Pen, which makes it easily accessible. On the side here, we have that honeycomb pattern with our power button and our volume buttons. I like how the power buttons kind of protrude out from the case a little bit. It makes it easy for you to find them and press. And on the back here, it's got a really cool look, these red accents, kind of really industrial type look to it. We have our Kevlar lining on the back with our MagSafe, and we also have a raised edge around our camera lenses for protection there too. And if we take our MagSafe power bank, clips onto the back, and immediately charges your phone. And again, that MagSafe accessory is on the back of the case. It's not going to just fall off. And we also have it sitting flush with this case too. The back blue plastic on here is also super smooth. I think it just looks really cool. So if you're looking for the best drop protection possible, the UAG Monarch Pro is definitely going to be the case for you. So these are some of the best UAG cases that you can buy for your brand new Galaxy S24 Ultra. And again, if you guys want to pick them up, I will be putting product links in the video description. Which one of these cases were your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.